Hello, I'm Faizan, and in this video, I'm going to embed two text files into two image files using Steghide and Stegosuite. Let's get started. So this one is to be hide using Stegosuite, and this one is to be hidden using Steghide. So we open a terminal in our downloads folder, and to run Steghide, we use the command steghide embed ef for embedded file and the file name cf for our cover file, which is testimg1.jpg. And this is optional. You can use a password, or you can just skip that option. I press enter and then in order to extract our embedded file, we use the command steghide extract and sf for source file, which is again testimg1.jpg, but we're going to extract into test1 embedded file .txt. We're going to see if it extracts correctly or not. Press enter and it asks for a passphrase. We chose pass here and it wrote the extracted data to this file. It's in our downloads folder. See, and it contains the exact same information as this one. Next, we use Stegosuite. How we do that? This Stegosuite is a GUI program, and we can launch our GUI from the command prompt. And it allows drag and drop. So we're going to drag our image here. Let's load up. We're going to embed this one, and this time we do not use a passcode. We're going to embed it, and it's going to embed this text file into test image2. It's complete. We get this file, which is the same one but with an embedded file. Now we want to extract what we embedded. How do we do that? Again, we launch our GUI and from our embedded file, we just want to extract. Now we know that there is no password, so we're not going to enter one and extract. It extracted to this exact file. It's in the same folder as our embedded file, so here it is. And it contains the exact same information as this one. That was an illustration of how to use Steghide and Stegosuite.